We had a bunch of customers in Germany, and we started predominantly with like servicing clients that were shipping up to 10 containers, or specifically were trying to sell their goods over Amazon. Yeah, so the category back then was called FBA, so fulfillment by Amazon. So those are people that would scout products during their vacation in Brazil or Thailand and say, listen, they have those amazing beach ball bats, or there's this amazing cats toys that is being sold in Thailand, and I want to import this to Germany. And then Amazon would basically take care of the fulfillment, of the listing, of kind of like all the marketplace activities. They would do the idea generation, kind of like the creative part behind product innovation, find suppliers overseas, and we would basically run the entire logistics part. And this was a well-organized small ecosystem where we could get to a large penetration rather quickly. So we were known as the go-to party to serve those companies. And so we saw pretty rapid growth in that domain back then, and helped a lot of those companies to ship and to manage their supply chains. Over time, though, this was kind of like the first niche, right? I mean, we went into this, let's say, very, very specific niche market. Over time, though, we saw that unit economics for larger customers were much better. It makes more sense to basically focus on a trade for a client where there's every week 4, 5, 10 containers. So the same processes, the same partners, more reliability, better planning, more sophistication on the customer side. Because in our initial customer group, it may have happened that people were hanging up on calls because they had to learn for their math exam the day later, or because they've never used a computer before, because they were either too young or too old. So a very diverse set of partially rather unsophisticated businessmen or women. And so over the course of time, we've been shifting more up market. And today we pretty much predominantly serve customers that actually have more than 500 containers a year that they import or export.